Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. This is Roger from Tabletop Hobby, and today we're going to be taking a look at another mini four-wheel drive car from Tamiya, and this one is the Honda E. Alright, so let's take a look. This is the Honda E. It's based on the VZ chassis, and this came out in November of 2020. Just zoom in on the side of the box here, see if I can focus that a bit better. Okay, so you can see it's an ABS resin chassis, and the body is also ABS resin. 14mm rollers, single shaft motor, dish type wheels that are black. We'll get back to those. The gear ratio is 3-5-1, and it's got the small diameter low profile tires in black. That's the side of the box there. All right, so let's open this up. So right away, the first thing you notice is this amazing lemon yellow color. I love this, it really stands out. You know, this car is going to look fantastic built up as is, or doing a nice paint job on it. It's just really gonna pop on this. Look at that. Doesn't quite come through in the video as bright as it is, but this is like Gatorade yellow bright. It's really nice, really nice. The ABS is good, solid body. All right, so let's take a look. Let's just grab these things out of the box here. So we got the body there. Here's the chassis, right? ABS. It's got some good flexibility to it. Doesn't feel brittle at all. Okay, here are those rims. These rims are in black, but you might remember these are on a few different cars. They're one of my favorite sets of rims, actually. I love the chrome set that comes with the Hong Kong Taxi. One of my favorite models. These ones are all in black, and they have matching black tires. Look at that, yeah. It's looking good so far. Okay, here's the sprue with everything on it. Now the VZ chassis, you know, that came out, when was that? Back in 2019, yeah, I knew it was pretty recent. And the first model it came out on was the Neo VQS. We'll be doing an unboxing and building of that one as well. So that's going to be fun to see these two different cars on the same chassis and how they compare on the track. But here we go. There is our sprue. Everything's looking good. I love how Tamiya's models are always like the plastic is always so clean. Like the lines are clean. It doesn't have, you know, plastic dust or anything on it. It's just really nice, top-notch stuff. And here are all the little bits. Yeah, so we've got our motor in here, plus all of our gears. So there's our shaft. Okay. So there's our stock motor. Okay, there's our bag of gears. There's our shaft. There's all of our copper connectors for the batteries. We want to keep those nice and clean. You know, after a bunch of uses, those can get a little bit dirty, and you know what, you get some power loss. There's all of our screws and bits to get this all put together. There's our other shaft and some lube grease. There we go. There's the other one for the other set of wheels. And plastic bearings, which are supposed to have reduced friction. So that'll be interesting to see. But that is it. Oh no, that's not it. Here we go. We've got the decals. Well, they're not decals, they're stickers. Stickers that'll go on there. So we got really nice nice foil to them. So we got the reflective blue for the windows. We got the front and rear grills. Your little nameplate down here. A little box for the front of the car. On the hood there, your air intake, I believe. So these are all stickers that'll go on afterwards. And then we've got some numbers. 1, 2, 3, or 4. And we've got our standard do's and don'ts. Remember those safety rules. And our instruction booklet. It goes through everything. How many steps? We have 23 steps. And you're done. That's it. There you go. That is the Tamiya Honda E, the VZ chassis. This came out in November 2019. And this is going to be a fun little car. It's going to look really good up against the other cars on the track there, because, you know, this is... I like the cars that are based off of real cars. I think that's really cool. And the Honda E, although we don't have it in North America, it did come out in, I believe, Europe and maybe, I guess, Japan. And what, 2019, 2020 it was released. It's an electric vehicle, and so it's kind of cool to have this, you know, 1/32 scale version of it that we'll be racing. This will likely become one of our favorite stock racers. So, thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a like, subscribe to see more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.